Imagine you're at a gas station. You fill up your car, start the engine, and drive away. Everything feels normal. Until a few minutes later, your car starts coughing, shaking, and starts losing power. You just realize you put diesel in a petrol car. So, what actually happens now? First, petrol and diesel engines work very differently. A petrol engine mixes fuel with air, then uses a spark plug to ignite that mixture. A diesel engine doesn't use spark plugs to ignite the fuel. Instead, it compresses air so heavily that it becomes extremely hot, then injects diesel into it. So even though both fuels come from the same place, their properties are completely different, and your engine is designed specifically for one of them. Here's where the problem begins. Diesel is much thicker and less volatile than petrol. So when diesel enters a petrol engine, it doesn't vaporize and burn properly. Instead of getting a clean, controlled combustion, the engine starts struggling. You might notice rough idling, misfires, smoke, strange noises, or a huge loss of power. Eventually, the engine may simply stall, and the longer you keep driving, the worse it can get. Your fuel system is also designed around the properties of petrol. Diesel can contaminate the fuel lines, injectors, fuel pump, and other components. And because the engine isn't burning the fuel properly, unburned fuel can make its way into places it shouldn't. That means a simple fueling mistake can turn into a very expensive repair. But here's the good news. Putting diesel in a petrol car is usually less catastrophic than putting petrol in a diesel car. Why? Because diesel engines rely heavily on the fuel itself for lubrication, especially in high-pressure fuel systems. Petrol can strip away that lubrication and potentially damage expensive components very quickly. So, what should you do? If you realize you put diesel in your petrol car before starting it, don't start the engine. Don't even turn the key if you can avoid it. Get the car towed or have the contaminated fuel removed. If you've already started driving, pull over somewhere safe and turn the engine off as soon as possible. Then get professional help to drain and flush the fuel system. The key is simple. The sooner you stop, the better. So no, your car isn't going to instantly explode if you put diesel in it. But keep driving, and a simple mistake at the fuel pump can become a very expensive one. And next time you're filling up, maybe check the pump twice.